First we have 2 to the 5th power equals 32. What we want to do is convert that to a log. And I have everything broken down for you, so I'll explain everything. First thing you're going to do is circle the base and label it base. So it's the number that's not the exponent. Then you're going to circle the exponent, label it exponent. Then you're going to circle the answer. I call it the result. You can call it the answer. It's the same thing, right? Result / answer. So first thing you do is label everything. And then what I do, it doesn't matter which side this is on. The log can be on the left or right. What I do is I first write my exponent as the answer. So in this case, 5 equals. Then I write the word log. Then I'm going to take my base here, make it the base of the log. So this number below the exponent becomes the base of the log. And then the result, or your answer for up here, goes inside the logarithm. So again, the way we read this is log base 2 of 32 equals 5. In other words, 2 to the 5th power gives you 32.